Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the coolest tech and gadgets you didn't know you needed. Today, we've got something extra special for you, our top 9 coolest gadgets that are totally worth seeing. All available on Amazon. Trust me, these are game changers. So, buckle up and let's get started. 9. Fujifilm Instax Mini Link 2 Photo Printer. The Fujifilm Instax Mini Link 2 Photo Printer is a remarkable addition to the world of instant photography, offering a blend of convenience and creativity that enhances the photo printing experience. This compact, portable printer allows users to transform their smartphone images into tangible, high-quality Instax prints in seconds. Equipped with advanced Bluetooth technology, it pairs effortlessly with your phone via the Instax Mini Link app, giving you control over print settings, filters, and design options. The printer's sleek, modern design and vibrant color options make it a stylish accessory for any setting. One of its standard features is the enhanced color and detail reproduction, which ensures that your prints are as vivid and true to life as the originals. The Mini Link 2 also introduces a range of fun and interactive features, such as the ability to create collages, add artistic borders, and even use motion sensors for unique print effects. 8. Claude Note A Voice Recorder. I am thoroughly impressed with the performance of the AI voice recorder, which has significantly transformed how I manage and document my verbal communications. This sophisticated tool seamlessly integrates advanced voice recognition technology with user-friendly functionality, offering an unparalleled experience in capturing and transcribing spoken words. Its accuracy in converting speech to text is exceptional, even in environments with background noise, which has notably improved my productivity. The AI's ability to understand various accents and nuances in speech adds a layer of convenience and reliability that is hard to find in other tools. 7. Mellow Charger. The Mellow Charger is an innovative solution designed to simplify and enhance the charging experience for modern devices. With its sleek and compact design, the Mellow Charger offers a blend of functionality and aesthetics that complements any workspace or home environment. It supports fast charging for a variety of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and other electronics, ensuring you spend less time waiting for your gadgets to power up and more time using them. Mellow Charger allows you to charge several devices simultaneously, eliminating the need for multiple chargers and reducing cable clutter. Its intelligent charging technology automatically detects the optimal power requirements for each device. 6. Charma Small Portable Charger. The Charma Small Portable Charger is a compact yet powerful solution for keeping your devices charged while on the move. Designed with portability and efficiency in mind, this charger is an excellent choice for travelers, commuters, and anyone who needs reliable power on the go. Despite its small size, it boasts a high-capacity battery that can provide multiple charges for smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered devices. One of the standout features of the Charma Small Portable Charger is its sleek, lightweight design, making it easy to slip into a pocket, purse, or backpack without adding bulk. Its fast charging technology ensures that your devices receive a quick power boost, allowing you to stay connected and productive throughout the day. 5. Warig Keyboard Screen Cleaner Kit. The Warig Keyboard Screen Cleaner Kit is an essential accessory for maintaining the cleanliness and functionality of your electronic devices. This all-in-one kit is designed to keep both your keyboard and screen in pristine condition, ensuring optimal performance and a professional appearance. The kit typically includes a high-quality microfiber cloth, a cleaning solution, and a brush or applicator for precision cleaning. The microfiber cloth is gentle yet effective, capable of lifting dust, fingerprints, and smudges without scratching or damaging surfaces. It's ideal for cleaning sensitive areas like keyboard keys and screen displays. 4. Bluetooth Remote Shutter to your phone. The Bluetooth remote shutter is a handy accessory designed to enhance your photography experience by allowing you to take photos from a distance without needing to touch your phone. This compact device pairs seamlessly with your smartphone via Bluetooth, providing a convenient way to capture selfies, group shots, or landscape photos with ease. To use the Bluetooth remote shutter, simply pair it with your phone through Bluetooth settings, and then position your phone in the desired location. With the remote in hand, you can trigger the camera shutter with a press of a button, giving you the freedom to get into the frame, adjust your pose, or capture the perfect moment without rushing. 3. Minisum Ataman X7 Ti. The Minisum Ataman X7 Ti is an impressive compact desktop PC that packs powerful performance into a small form factor. Designed for users who need high efficiency and versatility in a compact package, this mini PC offers a blend of robust hardware and advanced features that cater to a variety of computing needs. Equipped with the Intel Atom X7 processor, the Ataman X7 Ti delivers smooth and efficient performance for everyday tasks, multitasking, and even light to moderate gaming. Its compact design doesn't compromise on connectivity, featuring a range of ports including USB 3.0, HDMI, and Ethernet. 2. HiBR4 Digital Audio Player. The HiBR4 Digital Audio Player is a sophisticated device designed for audiophiles and music enthusiasts who seek high-quality sound and advanced features in a portable form. This digital audio player stands out with its impressive array of specifications that cater to both casual listeners and serious audiophiles alike. At the heart of the HiBR4 is its robust DAC, digital-to-analog converter, and high-performance amplifier, which together deliver exceptional sound clarity, depth, and detail. The player supports a wide range of high-resolution audio formats, including FLC, WAV, and DSD, ensuring that you can enjoy your music exactly as it was intended to be heard. The HiBR4 features a sleek, user-friendly touchscreen interface that makes navigation intuitive and straightforward. Its built-in storage and expandable memory options provide ample space for your entire music library, while its long battery life ensures that you can enjoy hours of uninterrupted listening on the go. 1. LexRay Speaker. The LexRay Speaker stands out in the crowded market of portable audio devices with its sleek design and impressive functionality. Combining aesthetics with performance, this speaker features a minimalist, modern look that complements any decor while remaining highly portable. Its compact size belies its powerful sound quality, delivering clear, rich audio that fills a room with vibrant music. The Ray speaker is equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing seamless pairing with various devices, and offers intuitive controls for easy operation. One of its notable features is its long battery life, which ensures hours of uninterrupted playtime. And that's a wrap on our top 9 coolest gadgets that are totally worth seeing. All available on Amazon. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.